Can a poor person really become rich in just 6 months by following 5 simple steps? It might sound too good to be true, but according to Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, it's possible. Warren Buffett is known for his smart investments and simple yet effective advice on how to build wealth. He started with almost nothing and became a billionaire, and he believes that anyone can do the same by following some key principles. Buffett's journey from delivering newspapers as a boy to becoming a top investor is full of lessons that can help anyone improve their financial situation. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful actions that Buffett swears by. These steps are easy to understand and can be done by anyone, no matter their current financial situation. By following these steps, you can start to see real changes in your financial life. So, let's dive in and discover how you can go from poor to rich in just 6 months with Warren Buffett's timeless advice. The power of knowledge. Warren Buffett often says that the best investment you can make is in yourself. From a young age, he understood the value of knowledge. As a child, Buffett spent hours in the library, reading everything he could about investing and the stock market. His hunger for learning never stopped, and it's one of the main reasons he became so successful. Buffett believes that continuous learning is key to building wealth. He reads hundreds of pages every day, keeping himself informed about new trends, companies, and markets. This habit of learning has allowed him to make smart investment choices and avoid mistakes that many others make. If you want to follow Buffett's path, start by educating yourself about finance. You don't need to go to business school. There are plenty of resources available online and in libraries. Begin with some must-read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, which Buffett himself considers a classic. You can also find free courses on websites like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube that cover everything from basic budgeting to advanced investing strategies. Making time for daily reading can significantly improve your financial knowledge and decision-making skills. Even dedicating just 30 minutes a day to reading about finance can make a big difference over time. The more you learn, the better you'll become at managing your money and making it grow. Remember, the journey to becoming rich starts with a single step: gaining knowledge. Just like Warren Buffett, you can build a strong foundation for your financial future by investing in your education. The importance of budgeting. Warren Buffett is known for his simple and frugal lifestyle. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and avoids spending money on things he doesn't need. Buffett's frugality is a key part of his financial success, showing that living below your means is essential for building wealth. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial. A budget helps you see where your money is going and ensures you spend less than you earn. It might seem boring or restrictive, but it's a powerful tool for gaining control over your finances. Start by listing your monthly income and all your expenses, from rent and groceries to small items like coffee or snacks. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can cook at home more often instead of eating out, or cancel subscriptions you rarely use. These small changes can add up to big savings over time. Buffett's approach teaches us to prioritize our spending. Focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting money on things that don't add value to your life. Use apps like Mint or Enab. You need a budget to track your spending and stay on top of your budget. By being mindful of your expenses and making smart choices, you can save more money and start investing in your future. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to financial independence. Budgeting might seem simple, but it's a powerful step towards building lasting wealth, just like Warren Buffett. Investing wisely. Warren Buffett's success comes from his ability to make smart investments. From a young age, he learned to spot undervalued companies and invest in them for the long term. This strategy, known as value investing, is all about finding great companies at a good price and holding on to them as they grow. To start investing wisely, you need to understand the basics of the stock market. Begin by learning about different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. There are plenty of online resources and beginner-friendly platforms, such as Robinhood or E-Trade, that make it easy to start investing with small amounts of money. Buffett advises investing in companies you understand and believe in. Look for businesses with strong fundamentals, such as steady earnings, good management, and a competitive edge. Avoid following the crowd or trying to get rich quick with high-risk investments. Diversifying your investments is also important. Don't put all your money into one stock or sector. Spread it out to reduce risk and increase your chances of steady returns. By following Buffett's advice and focusing on value investing, you can build a solid investment portfolio. Remember, the goal is to grow your wealth steadily over time, not overnight. With patience and wise choices, you can achieve financial success. Building multiple income streams. Warren Buffett understands the importance of not relying on a single source of income. Diversifying where your money comes from can provide financial stability and help you grow your wealth faster. Buffett has multiple streams of income from his various investments, businesses, and other ventures. To build multiple income streams, start by exploring side hustles or part-time jobs. This could be anything from freelancing, tutoring, or selling handmade goods online. Find something you enjoy and are good at, so it doesn't feel like extra work. Investing in real estate is another way to create additional income. Buying rental properties can provide you with a steady monthly income. If buying property isn't feasible right now, consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. Another option is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. These stocks pay regular dividends, giving you a steady income while your investment grows over time. Creating multiple income streams helps protect you if one source of income fails. It also accelerates your path to financial independence. By exploring different opportunities and being proactive, you can build a more secure and prosperous financial future, just like Warren Buffett. The value of patience and persistence. Warren Buffett's incredible success is built on patience and persistence. He believes that getting rich slowly is better than trying to get rich quickly. Buffett's long-term investments, like his famous stake in Coca-Cola, show the power of holding onto good investments and allowing them to grow over time. Patience means not rushing into decisions and not getting discouraged by setbacks. The stock market will have ups and downs, but staying calm and sticking to your plan is key. Buffett often says that time in the market is more important than timing the market. This means holding onto your investments through thick and thin, rather than trying to predict the best times to buy or sell. Persistence is about staying committed to your financial goals, even when progress seems slow. Keep learning, budgeting, investing, and finding new income streams, even if it takes time to see big results. Small, consistent actions add up over time and lead to significant gains. By practicing patience and persistence, you can build lasting wealth. Remember, becoming rich is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, be patient, and persistently work towards your goals, just like Warren Buffett, and you will see success in the long run. Warren Buffett's journey from humble beginnings to immense wealth teaches us that anyone can achieve financial success by following simple yet powerful steps. With dedication and effort, you can achieve financial success and build a secure, prosperous future. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.